That one comes available from FMS. I'm going to get it too. Alright, so let's see how it looks.
It's funny.
Throttle cut.
Just the thing's looking fast right here. That plane doesn't feel underpowered.
Oh, that's better. Okay.
That's
Cool.
brighter. Is that full bore?
Right there it is.
Yeah.
I gotta.
And it'll be more visible in the air too.
Yeah, I gotta put more paint in there. I'll do that.
Once you get that like fully white,
It'll be good. Yeah, it'll be good. Nobody. Oh, he's coming. Shit.
Gear down.
So the gear works now. Because it was the
I'm worried about that happening with my F-16.
the steering piece. No, you'll be fine. The steering piece came off, and he didn't put it back on. So.
Well, that does look like you painted the canopy.
Yeah.
And you painted the nose cone.
So there's only a couple spots where there's white. So I'll go over it again so that it doesn't, so it blends. But.
Yeah.
Normal mode.
They got good pace because she's walking, he's running. So
yeah. Once he goes by, then I'll go up. Well, you're gonna do it next, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I won't have any problem.
Nah, you should be fine. I didn't do. All I did was run up the motor.
Yeah. Maidens are always kind of fun here because it's like if you have to crash the airplane, you don't have very much option.
No, but you have grass at least.
Yeah. If you can control where it's gonna go.
It's weird being here behind it, but it's easier, I guess. Okay.
It is easier.
Timer cleared. Timer cleared.
Yep.
Yeah, you're right. It is a little
Gear
noisy.
up.
Yeah. I think I can balance this and make it better.
Well, I think you sucked in the rock.
Yeah, it was.
That is a little noisy.
It was in. Oh, that's brighter.
That is brighter. Yeah. That's cool.
When I was in Oakdale.
Because they put that big fucking hole in the bottom of it. Is the mirrors covering up the seam made a little faster?
Covering up the what?
Covering up the wing seam.
Oh, it did. It did. You're right.
I mean, granted, things always look faster here, but it looks faster.
It handles better.
Yeah, the wings aren't flexing.
They flexed before. And when I do pull-ups,
And I can tell
it would rock.
I can tell you filled in the seam because that whoosh is kind of gone away.
Right.
Kind of. It's getting dark fast, but sunset's not for 30 minutes.
That's good for us though, because that means people will leave.
Yeah. I've got 9 flights if I use your 2 batteries, so.
Okay.
But if you want to fly more, by all means fly.
No, no, I'll be good. I'll be good. I want to see you fly that because that's new for you.
Yeah, the other thing you got to be careful is those people hitting baseballs over there.
Right.
That's only happened to me once. I was flying some ultra micro, and the one baseball hit the plane.
Oh God.
Just annihilated it. The kids were like, "Oh, sorry, we'll pay for my kids." I don't care. Shit happens. It's those risks you take flying.
Yeah. Ooh, that looks cool with the clouds over there like that.
Yeah, it does.
Kind of likes these packs.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Just the 70.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so you got 2 runners on our.
I see him.
Someone else joined in.
So then I will.
Time remaining 50 seconds.
I'll just be a little bit more lax, so that I know I have enough time to come in. Yep.
30 seconds.
I think this is the same one from the other day that was freaking out when you flew over.
Yeah.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired. Gear down.
This box they use in this plane only puts out the signal wire for the.
Yeah. It hasn't given me any issues either.
Okay, we're gonna land now.
I'm going to right now. I got to do one turn. That's a good thing, but it went further than I thought it would. I think you'll be fine.